Welcome to Chalna Healthcare Clinic and Diagnostic Application version 1. Today I will show the feature functionality in our application. So this is the login page and you can see all role wise demo login credential, email, password and role. There is a 4 type of role: admin, diagnostic, doctor and patient. First of all, I will log in as the admin in admin dashboard. So copy this credential and log in. If you are an admin, then you can see all menu and functionality that our application already have. After successfully logging, a admin can get a beautiful user interface. Also, we'll see the overall business summary and growth like today's appointment, today's prescription, diagnosis amount, etc. So many of his business question will be answered, like what is the state of my business at the moment, today's overall summary, or how many doctors, how many patients, or how many referrals have enlisted in my system. So I will show all the functionalities one by one. I will create a doctor account, then I will take his schedule. We also see how the patient can get a prescription. We have kept everything user friendly so that user can easily understand everything. Here are bar chart, pie chart, income expense overview, latest appointment. To get to know his user growth, to get to know his user appointment growth. So let's take a look what menu the admin will get. Like sidebar, schedule, appointment, diagnosis bill, prescription. These 4 menu is core module in our system. So one by one I will show everything. Top of bar, cash clear option, quick action button like add schedule, add patient, appointment payment, new bill, due collection, add expense. Also in our system multiple language. This is very important for every applications. So our system is support multi-language support. Also our system has the global currency system. You can translate our entire set in any language or if you want. And beside the support information, support information, this is the address, phone and email. Important, let us know if you have any questions. Anyone who call us can get the answer to any query. So, and top of bar, online documentation. This button only can view this admin. So simple support information. Others panel, when we logged in others panel like diagnosis, doctor or patient, they can see the information and easily can reach us. So before schedule create, we need to create a new doctor account. So we create a new doctors, and first of all we see the important note: doctor default credential like input email and password 1 to 6, and this every input field at submit from the red symbol mark icon is required and others are optional. So name, designation, mobile number, email and department, these 4 input fields are required. Okay, so let's start. Name Dr. Miller, designation MBBS, mobile number, okay, anyone, Miller @gmail.com. Department, so you can choose any department like or search, so cardiologist, anything. Demo purpose we can just create it, and if you want to anything professional. So this doctor image not mandatory, optional. Okay, so we just create submit. Okay, doctor list, Dr. Miller, MBBS, phone number, nullable, mobile, address, nullable, status, active. If you want to inactive, then click inactive button. And if you want to see these doctor details, okay, click this show button. Dr. Miller, biography, professional, department, cardiologist, and calendar. This calendar Sunday 23 null, and today's appointment 0 and total appointment 0. So we create a schedule. Quick actions, add schedule. Okay, this is the schedule from. We see the book time slot and available time. When we select doctors, Dr. Miller, and anytime 23 or 24, we see the available time in our system. So this is the schedule now and schedule date, weekend. If you choose the 25, so Thursday, with Friday 28, so already selected Friday, start time and end time. So with just 25, start time 11 to end time 11:30. Okay, patient fees, consultant fees, doctor consultation fees 5,000 taka. Okay, if you submit, already schedule create, and if you same Dr. Miller in 25, we can see the available book time slot already booked and available time. If you want to see this schedule calendar, Dr. Miller, click the view calendar button and also see the Thursday 25/11. If you want to edit this date time, just click on. Again we can see this schedule edit from. Okay, now we create a patient for appointment. So before appointment create, we create a new patients, like patient create button, or we can use this action easily. Okay, so name, mobile, email, the three fields are mandatory, others are optional. So name Zakir, Jakir, Zakir Hussain, phone number Zakir@gmail.com, email is 35, blood group A positive, occupation business, religion Islam, patient address anything Bangladesh, married. Okay, so patient image and guardian information optional. So we can create this, submit. Okay, already patient account create successfully, and this is the patient ID number 0002, mobile number, address, registration date, blood group. If you want to see the detail of this patient, just click on icon. Yes, appointment, diagnostics. So this no data found, and diagnosis no appointment, so no data found. Okay, so now let's create the appointment. New appointment. So first of all we select patient name Zakir Hussain and Dr. Miller, who is date 25, already time slot are here. Consultation fee 5,000. If you want to discount, then any amount like 100 taka, so net payable 4,000, so no need. So 5,000. Receipt fees already received in cash, so submit. If you select the receipt fees, so already paid. So Zakir Hussain, serial number 1, date October 25, Dr. Miller, time slot 11 to 11:30, day Thursday, fees 5,000, already paid. So if you see the dashboard, definitely we can see the change. Appointment amount 5,000 and income 5,000. Okay, so now need to prescribe. So we can now generate this patient bill or diagnosis bill or invoice. So before bill generate, we can prescribe a doctor. The doctor will see his symptom and give him a medicine or test which will good for him. So I'll take a prescription from the doctor. So log out from this system, log out. And logging doctor panel. So Dr. Miller @gmail.com, password 123456. So just log in. Okay, so counting appointment 1, today's appointment 1, new patient 2, total doctor 2, and doctor wise per month appointment. So October appointment 1, latest appointment. So we show this latest appointment. Okay, this is the quick action: schedule calendar or add prescription. If we click the schedule calendar, we see this Thursday 25 already booked. Okay, now need to prescribe. So already schedule, appointment, prescription, doctor notice, users menu are available in doctor panel. So prescription list and add prescription. Add prescription. So already Zakir Hussain booked the Dr. Miller. So just we see the Zakir Hussain, select Zakir Hussain. So prescription date, so 23, symptoms like demo, fever, not more drinking water. So need more drinking water. Medicine type, like want multi medicine or multi test. So medicine type like Napa, extra. Medicine type tablet. Instruction 1+1+0, 3 days. Another medicine like Ambrox. Medicine type liquid. Instruction 1+1+0, 7 days. So any diagnosis instruction. So ECG, after after checking anything, suggestion, instructions. So this is simple prescription form. Doctor can easily maintain this. Just select patient's name and symptoms. After hearing the patient symptoms, they note some tips or medicine and give him some medicine name, medicine type, instructions, days, and if you need this test name, then just write diagnosis or instructions. Submit. Okay, so this is the prescription list, and see the date, prescription ID, Zakir Hussain, patient phone number. If you want to see the prescription and want to print this, so just click show. Wow. From prescription from Chalna Healthcare, address, email, phone number, patient name Zakir Hussain, address Bangladesh, ID number, age, date, who is doctor, doctor information, Dr. Minar, cardiologist department, email, and medicine name. So 2 medicine, Napextra, Ambrox, medicine type tablet, liquid, instruction and days, diagnosis and instructions. So symptoms, fever and note, need more drinking water. So this is simple prescription, but well structured. So if you want to print this copy, just click print button. Okay, this is print copy. So already we can see in doctor dashboard panel what today's prescription 1 and total prescription 1. Okay, if you click this prescription, so show this prescription list. And if you want to prescription copy, CSV file, Excel, PDF print, etc., just click on button. That's it. Just click on. If you need to print copy, this print button. Okay, this is the print copy. Okay, so a doctor panel, very simple. This is counting and month wise, per month wise doctor appointment, and some menu, schedule, appointment, prescription, doctor, notice, users. That's it. And quick actions and language. If you choose a language, Bangla, all text are Bangla. So if you choose Hindi or Arabic, just all languages are Arabic. Okay, we choose English and log out from doctor panel, and again logging in admin panel. Just logging. Okay, so now we can see this total prescription 1, today's prescription 1, no diagnosis bill, so 0, and diagnosis amount 0. So now it's time to create a diagnosis bill for this patient Zakir Hussain. Okay, let's start. So diagnosis bill or invoice. So add new bill. So already Zakir Hussain is enlisted in our system, so no need to new patients. So if this need to new patients, so just from fill up the patient information, email or phone number. These 3 fields are required. So besides input fields, placeholder required are already here. Others are optionals. And this panel, bill list, patient information panel and test information panel, also card and checkout. So we first of all search the patient. So we know the patient ID, so 0002. When we type this ID, we already show the Zakir Hussain name, email, phone number, age, others information. Okay, so need to test, already test information. So we search here the test. This is demo purpose test. So we we select CBC, or we category select, we can pathological test. So when we select pathological test, CBC, urinary pregnancy, SBIC. So when we digital X-ray select, so digital X-ray load. So all categories are here, and we select X-ray. So when we select, when we click this test name, already add to in our cart. So item 1, and another in pathological test or all categories, so CBC. So this is 2 items, X-ray and CBC. Price 700 and 400, total 1100. So any percentage or any amount. So 10% discount, so 70 taka, or any amount, so 100 amount. So total 170 taka discount. So this is checkout from, delivery date, so 27, 26, subtotal 1100 taka, grand total 11,000 to minus 170 taka, so total 930 taka. Delivery time anytime. So we total amount, grand total 930. So if we paid this 930, no given money. If we paid this 5,000 taka, so already due 4,003. So already some amount we kept due amount. So paid amount 5,000, due amount 430. No comments, just submit. Okay, so report delivery date, patient ID, bill ID, invoice number, patient name, paid amount and due amount. So already red mark here 430 taka. So if you get this invoice, so just click invoice, and this is the invoice. From details, invoice ID, patient ID, Zakir Hussain, Bangladesh, 2 test name, price and subtotal, discount and grand total, paid amount and due amount. So all are clear records. If you want to print this, so just click on print. Okay, this is invoice or bill. That's good. Now let's back to the dashboard. Yeah, appointment amount 500 taka, diagnosis amount 930 taka. So total revenue and no expense, so 0. If you create a new expense from quick actions, just click add expense, like T-bill amount 200 taka, no description. So 2030 T-bill 200 taka. So already in our dashboard we can see expense 200 taka, income, so total revenue. And if you see this statement, overall income and expense, we can see this one. So now let's access in accounts menu, income statement. This is the income statement, date from to date 2, and appointment revenue, diagnosis bill revenue, expense 2000. So total overall total balance. And this one the C statement. If we see statement, so transaction expense 200 টাকা and transaction receipt 500 টাকা, to total 1000, total 1000 টাকা. From description, receipt from diagnosis bill, receipt from appointment bill. Okay, and finally we can see these beautiful reports like patient information. Anything we can search here, date to date or any patients or any date like 22 to 13, just submit. Okay, patient information, patient whole information, just print. Okay, if you want to similar way the date wise appointment, doctor information, referral information, doctor's diagnosis bill. Okay, so if you want to see this diagnosis bill, just click on date wise, just submit, and this is the diagnosis bill. Today's invoice, patient referral self, so subtotal, discount amount, grand total, paid amount, due estate, and prepared by admin. Okay, all type of report here: patient information, data-wise information, doctor information, due collection, everything. So some amount are due from Zakir Hussain. Now the time to collect from Zakir Hussain. So due collection add, just click on due collection. So select date, due collection date. Already we can see this Zakir Hussain amount. So already paid 400. So some 30 amount are unpaid. Okay, next submit. Okay, so Zakir Hussain for the 400 taka paid, but is still due in 30 taka. Same Zakir Hussain, we already see this Zakir Hussain ID 00230 amount are already due. So any person, any patients due bill are available here. So easily we can collect due from patients. Okay, so all type of feature functionality are available like schedule, appointment, diagnosis bill, prescription, doctor, patients, referral, consultant, notice, basic setups, language setups. Oh, this is very important for language setup and settings. And settings are 3 type of settings: general, system setting, and mail settings. General settings are basically the whole system: application name, email, mobile number, address, copyright, and logo, favicon. That's it. And all user related password are here, and profile update related profile this here. Also see the language option. Language, if we want to any type of language, first of all create language. We can first select name, who is like select name, and then country code, and then flag. So when we create language, we can see this language list, and after language create, just translate this text like Japanese. So JP, which country? So country code JA and flux, so JP. Okay, just submit button. Okay, now we can see this Japanese, and now need to translate this language. So we select this translate button. We want to see all text are here. Try on just dashboard, like dashboard. Just translate. Yes, we are seeing this translate already. So if we want to submit, just update. Okay, so already dashboard are translating this language. Now need to select this Japanese language. Okay, so already Japanese language are selected and dashboard are already changed. So this is very easy to choose the default language Japanese. So if you want to already reserved 5 languages: Bangla, English, Bangla, Arabic, Hindi and France. So we choose the Bengali. So whole text are converted to Bangla, and similar way Hindi, just choose the Hindi. So all languages are translated to Hindi. So multi-language is very important for every applications for user-friendly interface. So this is the whole. So this is the overall explanation. I have tried to give you an idea overall. If you use our application, you will learn a lot more, and this will take your business a step further. So thanks for watching.